Ah.
Be Steven right now.
Keep throwing it.
Where did Daddy put the box?
Here it is.
You want a box, Cam?
I was just gonna say.
Hey, Mo, there's somebody in the window. Right next to you.
Man.
Bye-bye. Hoo-wee! Somebody's got to take me home. Correct. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you bet. Give him the whole
I'm driving, huh? Get a snapshot of
I think
her.
I'm gonna trade Grandpa for these kind of maybe.
Arigato. How you doing there?
I hate Grandpa so bad.
Yeah, you gotta get grip.
Oh, don't waste your film on me.
Hey, take an extra long picture of her.
No, don't do that.
I got a great film of Hazel blowing bubbles. She's quite a duck. Can you give Hayes a hug, Kate? Give Hayes a hug, huh? Oh, there you go. Oh, a nice big one. That's great.
Grandpa gonna be here.
Yeah, he's coming.
Yeah.
He's the one who got all these boxes.
Yeah. It just goes to show you, as big as whatever you buy, you fill it up.
That's right, that's right. You get a bigger house and you just get more junk in it.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
That's the way we operate.
But I bet it's nice.
Where are you going, honey? By the suitcase or? Well, I thought
The
it was
green,
the other way around.
I'd
I
rather
thought
hold you up than
deal with one and
What was the Malibu? Not the Malibu, the Monte Carlo?
Malibu.
Is that the original Pato?
That's Panto Zero.
It was a zero, alright. You gonna stay here? I thought you were gonna live with Hug Goose. Huh?
Here we're taping a drug deal in the parking lot of Petrie's.
Drug deal?
These people from Michigan have brought their marijuana cookies.
I'm taking that money. I'm gonna give you
Miss Elizabeth. Whoa.
You think we'd be here for a foot, or would we be back?
some more grapes on his
Party, party. Bye-bye.